Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Singh here. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how you can make your own writing paper. Wait till you see how easy it is. You won't believe it. So you know how in school we usually have the paper with the box on the top and then the lines to write? You can actually make your own paper at home. I know maybe you don't have a printer or maybe you don't want to keep wasting so much ink and printing all the time. That's okay. You could totally make your own. So here's the first thing that you can do. You need blank white paper and some type of writing utensil, maybe like a black pen, something dark, so it can show here. I just have a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. So the first thing, if you need a cover, right? Just draw a box on the top, right? Oops, that's where you're gonna have the cover page for your book. Then the title. And then the author, and of course you're the author, right? So here you go. Cover page first. Draw the illustration here, whatever your book is going to be about. Put a picture here and color it if you can. Then the title, what's the name of your story, and the author, of course, that's your name, right? Then you can make a few pieces of the lined writing paper that we have in class. So again, just put a box at the top. That's where the illustrations can go. I'm not going to make it as big as the one on the cover, right? Because we need to have more lines for writing. So here we go. Here's a rectangle at the top. That's the box for the first page. Then maybe, what do you think? Maybe 5 or 6 lines like we have in class? Or you can do as many as you want. Maybe, but maybe no more than 10. Because then that would make the story really long. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have space for 6. Here we go. Doesn't that look just like the one we have in class? So that's all you have to do. Maybe make about, I would say, how about 3 of these for your story? So you can have a beginning one, you can have a middle page, and then you can have an end. But remember, in class, we even have up to 5 pages for a story. So if you want to do a little more, that's okay. So that's all you have to do. I can't wait to see your work. And also, I gave directions to your families how you can use an iPhone, here's mine, or an iPad, and then you can take a picture of it and you can scan it, and then you can send it directly to me. Okay, so I can't wait to see your work, and you will see me soon. Bye bye.